Can you install a rooftop cargo carrier on Buick Enclave Avenir SUV? Installing a rooftop cargo carrier on a Buick Enclave Avenir SUV is definitely possible and can be a great addition to your vehicle for extra storage space while traveling. However, there are some important considerations to keep in mind before proceeding with the installation. First and foremost, you need to ensure that your Buick Enclave Avenir SUV is equipped with roof rails or crossbars. These are essential for securely attaching the rooftop cargo carrier to your vehicle. If your SUV does not come with factory-installed roof rails or crossbars, you may need to purchase and install aftermarket ones before you can attach the cargo carrier. It is also important to check the weight capacity of both the roof rails crossbars and the rooftop cargo carrier itself. Make sure that the combined weight of the carrier and your luggage does not exceed the maximum weight capacity recommended by the manufacturer. Overloading the rooftop cargo carrier can not only damage your vehicle but also pose a safety risk while driving. Before installing the rooftop cargo carrier, carefully read the instructions provided by the manufacturer. Make sure to securely attach the carrier to the roof rails or crossbars and double-check all attachments to ensure they are properly tightened. It is also a good idea to test the carrier with some weight in it before hitting the road to make sure everything is secure. In addition, be mindful of the added height and weight on your vehicle when installing a rooftop cargo carrier. This can affect your SUV's handling, especially in windy conditions. Drive cautiously and be aware of the clearance height when entering low-clearance areas like parking garages. Overall, with proper preparation and installation, you can successfully install a rooftop cargo carrier on your Buick Enclave Avenir SUV to provide extra storage space for your next adventure. Make sure to follow all safety precautions and guidelines to ensure a safe and enjoyable journey. The benefits of using a rooftop cargo carrier. Rooftop cargo carriers have become a popular accessory for many drivers, providing a convenient and efficient way to transport luggage, sporting gear, and other bulky items. There are several benefits to using a rooftop cargo carrier, making it a worthwhile investment for anyone who frequently travels or needs to transport large items. One of the main benefits of using a rooftop cargo carrier is the extra storage space it provides. This is especially useful for families or outdoor enthusiasts who may need to pack a lot of gear for a trip. By utilizing the space on the roof of the vehicle, drivers can free up valuable space inside the car for passengers or other necessities. Another advantage of rooftop cargo carriers is their versatility. They come in a variety of shapes and sizes, so drivers can choose the one that best suits their needs. Some carriers are designed specifically for skis or snowboards, while others are more general purpose and can accommodate a wide range of items. This flexibility makes rooftop cargo carriers a valuable tool for anyone who needs to transport large or awkwardly shaped objects. In addition to providing extra storage space and versatility, rooftop cargo carriers can also improve fuel efficiency. When items are stored on the roof of the vehicle, it can create wind resistance and increase drag, which can decrease fuel efficiency. However, by using a rooftop cargo carrier, drivers can reduce the amount of drag on their vehicle and potentially save money on gas. Furthermore, rooftop cargo carriers are easy to install and remove, making them a convenient option for drivers who may not always need extra storage space. They can be quickly attached to the roof rack of the vehicle and secured in place, providing a secure and reliable way to transport items. Overall, rooftop cargo carriers offer a range of benefits for drivers looking to increase storage space, improve fuel efficiency, and enhance the versatility of their vehicle.